I was attracted to Growing Stars because it was quite close to me. It's literally like 5 minutes walk from my home, and it was quite big and bright. That's what I liked it. It was completely different what my daughter used to go, and I feel it's very huge. Especially the staff are very friendly, and once they started, he started coming here. I felt very comfortable. He settled in very quickly. Be it any since he was 2 years old, he came here, so he settled in very quickly with Georgina. So that's what I was more liked it. Like I said, he started coming since he was 2, and now I can see a huge difference since he's gone from baby room to preschool. He feels like very independent. He likes to put his own clothes on and jackets and everything. And I think staff has really helped a lot for having that. He's been diagnosed that he's got a little bit of speech delay. And I feel that since he's gone to preschool, he started coming up with new words and everything. So I feel that we're going into a right direction. They're helping us a lot as well. Facilities are good. I think what I like most is they have got the huge garden, like which I have obviously have come across to a lot of nurseries here around here. But the best part of this is the nursery is quite huge, and the outdoor space is really amazing. I feel that this is the best nursery I've ever found in Harrow, like what my experience is, my research is, and what my daughter used to go. So I feel that this is the best, amazing, where from entering to someone who's not completely gone, but I feel they are very friendly. He settled in very quickly, and I feel the most important thing is the staff is approachable. Be it anyone, if it is in the baby room or if it is preschool, they all are very approachable and very too friendly. So you feel comfortable, you're sending your child, you feel like no, they are in right hands and he's been protected. And another thing that you can see the growth as well. Just not I see a lot of nurseries, I've seen it. My own experience with both my kids, and I feel that there's a huge difference with Ayan. They teach them, they do that. It's not only about play, but at the same time they're looking into their curriculum or their teaching as well. So yes, I would hand on my heart and I'll say that you have to choose this and you won't regret.